Hi there! Looking for a house in a prime location in General Santos City? Check out this fully furnished 3-bedroom home for Assume in Agan Gateway, Lagao, right along the National Highway. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and sits on a 138 square meter lot. It's move-in ready, complete with appliances and furniture. Just bring your clothes. Perfect for families or even a rental investment because the location is very accessible. Near schools, hospitals, groceries, and public transport. Now, here's the best part. It's priced at only 1.8 million and we're offering flexible payment terms. You can start with just 500,000 down payment and the remaining balance is payable within 1 year. It's a great deal for the location, the size, and the convenience you're getting. If you're looking for a smart buy in Jensen, this is it. Let's schedule a viewing so you can see it for yourself. Message or call me for more information. Don't wait too long. Deals like this don't last.